guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another payday weekday, baby. Before we get started, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today was sent to me by So Good BB, so I want to say thank you so much, So Good BB. The unit that I'm going to be reviewing is by Zury Sis. Her name is Anka. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is what the unit is looking like on the stock card. Now, this unit comes in a bunch of other different colors. I have her in Sombre purple / sky. That's the color that they sent me. This unit is a synthetic unit. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has baby hairs. It is hand tied, and on the back it gives you instructions on how to care for the unit as well. So here's the unit, y'all. Now look, you know, I'm gonna be honest, you know, this is not my jush. But, you know, we're gonna see what we're working with, okay? Now, like I mentioned, she does have baby hairs. She has lace. She has 2 combs in the front. She has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. Okay, so I've gone on and cut the lace off of this unit. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, so look. Oh, what in the hell? I'm going to do what I can do to spruce her up, and then we just gonna go ahead and discuss her, okay? And rate Miss Anka, and I'm going to give her three Ks. And let me explain to you why. First of all, this color is just not for me. So I like the dark roots. I wish that it wasn't one color on one side and one color on another side. Maybe if it was purple, you know, the dark roots, and then it was purple, and then it flowed down into this blue turquoise color. Now, I'm not saying that this is not pretty colors. It's just not my jush. It might be for someone else out there, but it's just not for me. Another reason why she got 3 Ks is because she sheds, honey. Like, sheds. Like, you look up shed in a dictionary, you're going to see a picture of this unit, okay? That's how much she sheds. Now, I like the style. Now, I've seen other YouTubers turn her on the left or turn her on the right. I decided to do her in the middle. If this was sent to me in another color, I probably would like her more. The shedding, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, she sheds, okay? So you can't get away from that. I'm not going to say that she's the most comfortable cat for big head girls like myself, but she's snug, okay? Now, I feel like I could wear her all day and I wouldn't get a headache, but she is snug. This unit is kind of thin as well. You know, it is kind of thin. It does have the little rigidly lines in it that you can see, but it's not that bad, to be honest with you. It's really not that bad. The parting space is decent. The baby hairs was easy to manage. So yeah, Miss Anika, she's going to get 3Ks from me today. Okay, let me turn around so you guys can see the back of her. As you can see, as I lift her up a little bit, she's sort of kind of like light colored in here. So you have this dark teal blue, and then it's like light color underneath here. And the same on the purple side. You know, you got this dark purple up here, and then it's like, you know, this light purple. Well, that's all I have on today's unit. You guys already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then just sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.